Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Install Google Pay from the App Store and sign in with your Google account. Open Settings and confirm NFC is enabled for payments. Check that your iPhone is iPhone XS or later and running iOS 14 or higher. Update iOS if needed before continuing. Open Google Pay and tap Add a Card to enter card details. Verify your card with the bank using SMS or email codes. Keep your physical card handy for verification steps and for backup activation if necessary. Open Google Pay and go to Settings to configure Tap to Pay as default. Under Permissions, allow NFC, Bluetooth, and background app refresh access. In Wallet Preferences, move Google Pay to the top of the payment list for instant access. Confirm a default payment method is selected and active for contactless transactions. Restart your iPhone after changes to ensure system services load correctly. Test with a low-value purchase to confirm default behavior and quick tap response at checkout. Wake your iPhone and unlock it before approaching the payment terminal. Hold the top back of the iPhone close to the terminal where the NFC symbol appears. Keep the phone steady for 1 to 2 seconds until the payment registers on the terminal. Wait for the on-screen confirmation and an audible beep or vibration indicating success. If prompted, choose a receipt email or SMS option in Google Pay after the transaction completes. Troubleshoot by retrying or using the physical card if the tap fails repeatedly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.